Quality monitoring software TransMon. Step-by-step guide to becoming a TransMon master. In this video, we will explain how users can generate samples on TransMon. Let us log into TransMon and start generating samples. Let us discuss a business scenario. Imagine that you want to generate 100 samples using two parameters: average handle time and transaction type. In average handle time, you want calls between 100 seconds to 400 seconds, and in transaction type, you want to pick only booking related calls. You can do this in 7 easy steps. Step 1. Click on Generate Sample Method module from the module panel. Step 2. Select the line of business for which you want to create sampling plan. Step 3. Choose date range from which you want to pick your samples. Step 4. Pass parameter inputs. Step 5. Click on Generate button. Once you get your sample set, click on Save button. We will now move to next step: how to allocate transaction to quality auditors. Click on the next video for details.